The baby crying now. A is. B are. C was. D were. White heavy checkmark answer. A is. We dinner at 8 o'clock every night. A eat. B eats. C ate. D eating. White heavy checkmark answer. A eat. She to the market yesterday. A go. B goes. C went. D going. White heavy checkmark answer. C went. The flowers fresh in the morning. A look. B looks. C looked. D looking. White heavy checkmark answer. A look. I a new phone last week. A buy. B buys. C bought. D buying. White heavy checkmark answer. C bought. They in the classroom now. A sit. B sits. C sat. D sitting. White heavy checkmark answer. A sit. He very fast every morning. A run. B runs. C ran. D running. White heavy checkmark answer. B runs. We our teacher yesterday. A meet. B meets. C met. D meeting. White heavy checkmark answer. C met. It cold in December. A is. B are. C was. D were. White heavy checkmark answer. A is. My friend very kind to me. A am. B is. C are. D was. White heavy checkmark answer. B is.